Namaste bachcho, welcome all of you. Today we have worksheet number 41 of your mathematics class for 9th. Now we are talking about volume of cube and cuboid. In last classes we have discussed already the surface area, lateral surface area and total surface area of the cube and cuboid. Today we will learn about the volume of cube and cuboid. We are given an empty cuboid box and we have to find what is the volume of this cuboidal box. Then take a small cube of side 1 unit in this figure and try to fit inside this cuboid. You can see easily how many small cubes are there in this one layer. 1 2 दो इधर हैं 1 2 दो इधर 2 तो देयर आर 5 लाइंस 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 2 क्यूब्स आपको नजर आ रहे हैं तो 5 into 2 10 तो दिस वन रो ऑफ 10 क्यूब्स. ऐसा और कितनी रो बनाई जा सकती हैं? एक तो यही हो गई आपकी, एक और इस हाइट पर आ सकती है और एक ये इधर. तो ऐसा 3 रो आप तैयार कर सकते हैं. यही यहाँ बताने की कोशिश की. तो वी सा दैट वन लेयर ऑफ द बॉक्स कंटेन्स 10 क्यूब्स. थोड़ा बड़ा करके देख लेते हैं, नीचे आ जाएगा इधर, ये लीजिए. बॉक्स कंटेन्स 10 क्यूब्स 5 into 2 and we have 3 layers, therefore 3 into 10 30. This is a simple question. तो आप बता सकते हैं कि we required 30 cubes. Okay, the length of this box, it means, is 5 unit, width 2 unit and height 3 unit. How? एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं. Because इसे रब करें, इरेज कर देते हैं, फिर देखें दोबारा. 1 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 cubes of 1 unit. It means the length of this cuboidal box is 5 unit and the breadth, in the breadth there are 2 cubes which can easily see 1 2. It means the breadth is 2 unit and the height 1 1 and 1. We can put 3 cubes in the form of height. Then it means height is 3 unit. Therefore we can say the volume of this cuboid is 5 into 2 into 3. It means length into breadth into height. This is known as formula. तो आप इसी तरह से फॉर्मूला डेवलप कर सकते हैं. It means volume of this length, breadth, height. Now आगे से आप याद रखेंगे volume of cuboid will be length into breadth into height. And in the case of cube, because cube has equal sides, the length is equal to breadth is equal to height. So means side into side into side. And the unit of measurement of either of the two is cubic unit. Yes, always, because meter into meter into meter. When we multiplied any unit up to 3 times, then the degree of this unit will be 3. Therefore, the unit of volume is cubic. Let's solve a question. A matchbox 4 centimeter, 2.5, 1.5. What will be the volume of 12 such boxes? First, we have to find the volume of one matchbox. 4 into this into this. We can easily solve the volume of one matchbox. Length, breadth, height means multiplied all these terms and we will get 15 cubic centimeter. यदि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करने में तो हम थोड़ा सा इसे फिर से देख सकते हैं. यहाँ बोर्ड बना लेते हैं, ब्लैक बोर्ड ले लेते हैं. आइए देखते हैं करके. 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. There are so many ways you can calculate it. First, just avoid the decimals. We will put the decimal after the whole calculation. Let's see. 4 25 15. So 25 into 4 100 into 15. it means 1500. But because we have decimal, 1 place आपका इधर है, 1 place इधर है, तो 1 plus 1 2. It means in the resultant we have to mark decimal after 2 place from the right hand side. 1 2 यहाँ आप decimal लगाएंगे 2 place के बाद, then this will be 15.00. It means the resultant will be 15. This is the final calculation for the volume of one matchbox. Another way, आप दूसरे तरह से भी इसे कर सकते हैं. पहले से अगर आप डेसिमल हटाना चाहें तो एक बार फिर से बोर्ड बना दें. जैसे for 2.5 means 25 by 10 and 1.5 means 15 by 10. Then simple 25, या तो आप 5 की टेबल से करेंगे, अदरवाइज 25 into 4 होता है 100 और 100 से 100 कैंसिल हो गया, ये सारा कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ओनली 15 वी हैव. इट मीन्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मैच बॉक्स इज 15. ऐसे बहुत सारे तरह से आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अपनी प्रैक्टिस रखें. हटा देते हैं अभी. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ 12 मैच बॉक्सेस. इट मीन्स दिस विल बी 12 into 15. This is 180 cubic centimeter. It's simple. Now, question for practice. Length, breadth and height of a cuboidal room 5, 4, 3. We have to find the volume. Okay, this is the cuboidal room. Length, breadth, height. These are given 5, 4 and 3 meter respectively. Volume of this cuboid, length into breadth into height, it means 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4 that 20, 20 into 3, 60, and meter, meter, meter up to 3 times means meter cube. This is the unit of volume. The volume of cuboid must be 60 meter cube. It's simple. Now let's second question. Cubical box. Cubical box as 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. If you use only the volume of the cuboid, then length, breadth, height means 10 into 10 into 10. Otherwise, we know the volume of the cube is side into side into side. Means the cube of side. Means the cube of 10 centimeter. Means 10 into 10 into 10. Simple. 30 means 1000. Centimeter cube. It's simple. It's very simple. This is our final answer of volume of this cube. Okay. So आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहें. कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है जरूर बताएं. अच्छे से करें. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें. Stay healthy. Stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.